Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a new user in Oracle database. So to create a Oracle database we need to go on SQL Plus. Just click on it. So here user. So we need to enter the username. So first of all we need to create to create a username, first of all we need to log in as system, because system is the admin. By default, when we are installing, we are creating a user, so the system is an admin who creates a new user. So we cannot create directly the new user, so we take the help of system. So just type system and enter the password. This password is given when the installation is done. So when you are installing it, you have to give a password, so that password you need to type there. So I'm just logging in. So I just connected to database. So now here we need to type a create user. So you're creating a new user. So create user, give any name of username. I am giving my base and identified by password. You need to give anything, so semicolon. So see here the error is coming. So if this error is coming, so invalid common user or role name. So first of all we need to type this command, that is alter session set underscore oracle script. Okay, then it's equals to true. Understood? So you just need to type this alter session set oracle script and equal to true, then enter. The session is altered. So now what you need to do is just type this same code, that create user my base identified by, and enter the password which you like to give. So enter it. So we successfully created our username. Okay, so just see who is in which account we are there. So show user. So we are in system, but we are not connected to my database. So what you need to do to change from my system username to another account of we just created here, that is name is my base. So you need to type connect, that's it, and enter the username my base and enter the password which you have given. Okay, enter. So here this error is coming. So this error is coming just because we have created the user. So but you need to allow the new user to access the data. So first of all you need to grant some permissions to the my base, which is new user. So whenever you go to a company, so there is admin will be there. So there you have to ask the username and password. After that he created, and then he gives permissions to access the data which they have developing, which they have doing the projects. So you need to grant. So first of all let's see we are in which user. So show. So you need to connect to system again, because you have to take the permissions. So now we are in here. So now you need to grant permissions. So you need to write this command, grant connect to whom we are giving permissions. We want permissions for my database new user. So you need to type my base like this and enter. So grant successfully. Now you can change the user, and you can access, you can use that new user. So let me type the new username, that is my base, enter the password. So we successfully connected. Here when we have created and it's created, but we did the same thing, but it is not, we got an error that there is user mybase lack create session privilege or logon defined, because this error we got. But anyhow we managed by giving this command, granting the permissions to the new user. So like this we have connected, and we successfully connected to our user. If you want to know in which user we are, so just type show user and enter. So you can see here user is mybase. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand, please comment below. I will try to make new videos on this. Thank you very much.